Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to integrate Gemini API using Angular. So for that, first you need to type this Gemini API for developers and you will easily get the results for you. So here I will type Gemini API for developer, and here you should easily find the link. So here I will click on this ai.google.dev.com, and here if you have the Google account you can directly create it. So here I'm clicking on exploring models, and it should navigate you to the API keys creation phase. So I have already created, but if you want to create, then you can click on create API, and you can give some name like Gemini API. And here if you haven't created any project, then you can create project, and once you click on it, here the API key would be visible for you, and once you click on that you can copy the key. And for free tier payments and all, it's not required. You can use it freely. You can not use the pro versions of the Gemini, but the lower versions you can use. Okay, so in this case we are going to use the Gemini Flash version that I will cover when we will start the integration of the Gemini API. So once you create the key, here you can click, and from here you can copy the API key, and this key you need to place it in your environment files. So here we have this environment file. Here I have pasted that key. Don't use this exact key because it won't be useful. It is specific to the user who has created it, and I am going to delete after covering this tutorial. So this is where you need to paste the key with this key name. You can keep any key name, but I have kept it as Google AI API key for the reference. So while giving variable names, we should give always the meaningful name, so that is why I have given Google API key. So now when we are done with adding the API keys into our environment files, we need to install one package for integrating the Gemini API. So in the step number 3, you can find this npm install command that we have to run. So I'm going to run this command, npm install @Google generative API. This is the package which will help us to integrate the Gemini API. So now for demonstration purpose, I have already created one HTML. So within that, here I have just input. Here I have one button which will pass whatever I am typing in this input, and here I am showing the my response. Okay, so this is how the page looks as of now. It won't do anything because we are yet to integrate the Gemini. So for that we need to go to our component file. So here already I have created this process text where I'm going to store the response which I will get from the Gemini model. Okay, so let's start with the integration. So first what I will do, I will import this Google generative AI from @Google/generative AI, and after that I will import this environment from our environment file so that we can have access to our API key. Then next part is I will create one variable which is gen AI new Google generative AI, which is this module, and where I will set my Google API key. The next part is I will select the model which I want. Since this Gemini 2.5 Flash version is free to use, and which is accessible using our API key. So that is why I am using this model, this dot GenAI and get generative model. Within model key we have to specify our Gemini model. Next, I will create one method which will accept the argument as prompt, which we are going to pass to this Gemini. Then I will get the content based on our prompt. Here remember we have used async and await. Then I will store that response after getting the response. Then I will convert that response into text using response.text, and I will simply return the text. Okay, so first part of integrating Gemini is done. Now through this process input we are going to pass this prompt, so that is why I will mention let response is equal to this dot response text, and where this text is coming from, it is coming from here, my input dot value. So whatever I am typing in the input, which will be it will be passed to this process input method, and in turn this prompt will be passed to this generate text. So since it will return a promise for us, so I'm going to use response dot then result. At this result I'm going to set it in this process text signal, so that automatically it will reflect on our UI. So let's just test this. So I will go back to my prompt and go back to my browser, and here I will type anything like hi, I want to say thank you to you, Gemini. Okay, and once I click on submit, it should give me the text which I want. So you can see here I am getting the real-time response, which is you are very welcome, it was my pleasure to help, and is there anything else I can help you today. So I think our integration is working. It is directly showing us on UI, but we can also check through our network call. For that we can just mention Ctrl+Shift+I, and here I will again say something what is the benefit of using LLM. So here it is calling this Gemini API. You can see with this payload automatically I am just passing this text, and after few seconds I have got the text like large language models offer a wide range of significant benefits, and the same details I am getting from the response, right? And automatically it is visible on our UI. So in this example I'm not going to format this particular response to make it beautiful. The reason for making this video, I wanted to showcase everyone how we can integrate Gemini API in Angular. So if you have liked it, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm going to cover interesting topic like this in future as well. Thank you.